Boom! What's up, Magic Cubers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve a Skewb. First, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. So actually, Skewb is really easy to solve. It looks really complicated, but it's actually very easy. There's only one algorithm for the entire cube. So I think that's a good mix-up. Now I want to find the white centerpiece, which is right here. Now I want to look for a white corner on the bottom layer. I see one right here. Since there are no white corners on the white center, you can just go ahead and bring it up to the center. How you do that is just you move this side up and make sure the white is matching. Now you look for another white corner on the bottom layer. White, green, orange. There are no orange pieces here. There are no green pieces either. But you know that green is opposite to blue, so it should go right here. And orange is opposite to red, so it should go for here. So orange needs to be here and green needs to be here. So this is the spot of this corner. So we bring it up. But the corner is not, the white part is not matching with the white center. So then we bring it to the back, and then we bring the spot down. So this is where this corner should go. So we bring it down. Now if we move the corner up, it'll match with the white center. And then we bring the whole thing back up. Then you look for another white corner on the bottom layer. There is no white corner on the bottom layer. So you take a random white corner, which is probably on the top layer. You can either bring it to the front or take it to the back. I'm going to bring it to the front because it's easier. And then it's a white, blue, orange. There is a white orange piece right here. There's a white blue piece right here. So you know that this piece needs to go right here. So you bring it up. The white is not matching the white center. So you bring it to the back. Turn the cube, bring the slot down. You bring the corner to the white center and back up. And the last corner is on the top layer. So you bring it to the front. You bring it up. The white sticker does not match the center. So you turn the cube, bring the slot down, put it up, and bring the whole thing back up. The next step of solving the Skewb is getting the yellow corners to face up. So it's like orienting the last layer. There are 3 cases when it comes to this part. The first case is when all of the yellow stickers are already facing up. Then you're done with the step. You can go on to the next part. But there are 2 more cases, and one of those cases is this one right here, where 2 yellow stickers are facing up, diagonal from each other. So when it's like this, you want one yellow sticker to face the left side and one to face you. Then you do this algorithm. Right side down, left side down. Right side up, left side down. And then you'll get the second case, where two of the stickers are facing opposite from each other, and two are on the same side. So you want the ones on the same side to be on the right. And then do the same 4 moves. Right side down, right side up, and left side up. The next step is getting the yellow center onto the top. How you do that is you take the yellow center and put it in the back and do the same 4 moves. R prime, L, R, L prime. Then you do Y2. When you do Y2, you turn the cube around like this. Now do the same 4 moves. So I'm really bad at Skewb. And voila, you have the yellow center on top. The next and last step is getting the middle centers to match with their corresponding corners. So the first and easiest case is when one side has opposite colors, only one side. So what I mean by that is on a normal cube, or any cube really, red and orange are opposite, blue and green are opposite, yellow and white are opposite. So Right here, red and orange, they're opposite. So you want to put the opposite colors on your side and a non-solved side on the top. White and yellow on the right and left, and do the same 4 moves. Then do a Y2 and do the same thing. And you have a solved Skewb. But obviously there are other cases as well. One of those cases is when you have adjacent colors. So as you can see on a normal cube, blue and red are adjacent colors. Blue and red. Green and orange are adjacent colors. Green and orange. So when this happens, you want to put yellow and white on the right and left, and you can hold it any way you want, really. Just kidding. You have to make sure the adjacent colors are on the top and your side. So orange and green, orange and green. And then you want to do the same 4 moves. Y2, do it again. And then it'll bring us to the last case that I showed you earlier. The last case is when all of the sides have opposite colors on them. So green and blue, orange and red, and same thing. So when that happens, you put white and yellow on the right and left. You can hold it however you want and do the same thing. Then it'll bring you to one of the other cases. So you put the opposite colors on your side, unsolved side on the top, and do these 4 moves. Y2, do it again. And just like that, you have learned how to solve a Skewb.